Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trail Tech Voyager Pro. First, securely mount the device to your vehicle, ensuring it's stable for all terrains. Next, connect the power and sensor cables carefully, following the included diagram for proper installation. Finally, perform the initial calibration steps to guarantee accurate readings for speed, temperature, and other vital metrics right from the start. This setup ensures your adventures are tracked precisely. Now, let's explore navigation. You can easily load custom routes or tracks onto your Voyager Pro, making planning simple. Once loaded, just follow the clear on-screen map and turn-by-turn directions to stay on course. Don't forget to mark important waypoints, like scenic overlooks or tricky obstacles, for future reference or to share with friends. It's your reliable guide for every journey. The Voyager Pro is excellent for tracking your ride data. It automatically records essential information such as your speed, distance traveled, and elevation changes. You can also monitor critical engine parameters like temperature and RPMs in real time, helping you keep your vehicle running smoothly. After your adventure, easily review all your ride statistics to analyze performance and plan your next exciting trip. To get the most from your device, explore its advanced features. You can pair your Voyager Pro with other Bluetooth devices, like headsets, for seamless communication. Customize the display settings to suit your preferences, ensuring optimal clarity in any light condition. Remember to regularly update the software to access new features and maintain peak performance. A little care goes a long way for many adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.